Okay, good morning. How you all doing today? As you know, this is, always will be, Chris Van Cise with Live the Dream Team, Luxury Real Estate. We are going to go up inside your new investment here in Paradise. MYA Diamond 64th Street Condominiums, where you can get a studio apartment for less than 2.7 million pesos. Let's see here. Now, this is the progress of the construction here. What is this? Oh, gracias. Now let's keep going up. Now, they do have an actual penthouse here that is like 2,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, the rooftop, the whole 9 yards. Asking price is 18.6 million pesos. Buenos días. Buenos días. Now, as you can see, you have lots of people working here, and they are getting close. From the last time we were out here about a month ago, they're getting very, very close to finishing. They have lots of people working. Hey, check this out. Now, look at that. Look at that coming. That's looking sweet. Now let's check this here. You see that there? This could be your new view. Let's get our way up to that penthouse. Come for me, so let's go. Shit, eh? Oh, look at the floor here. I think we are in the penthouse. This is the penthouse. So, for you looking to live the life of luxury, we are on the penthouse. That would be your private pool there. Your amazing, priceless view of the the Caribbean Ocean. Excuse me, I've lived in Mazatlan for so long. Look at the flooring here. I don't think we're gonna bother going up there. Check out this here. Okay. We just gotta. We're not going up any further. There's like construction going up to the rooftop, so we are going to end the video here. If you'd like more information on this amazing investment opportunity, don't hesitate, don't think about it. Contact me, Chris Van Cise. I am, always will be, your local expert at your service. Look at that view.